In today's video, we're going to be talking about my whole boxing process, how I'm able to make videos, especially as a new YouTuber. The first step is coming up with an idea, because at this point you don't even know what you want to create. All you know is you want to make a video. You don't even know what you want to make this video about. I just want to make a video, and a lot of times this step is actually very draining, because you are thinking, what should I make this video about? Should I make it a vlog? Should I make it a sit-down video? Should I write a script? Should I not write a script? Should I make it plan? Should I make it unplanned? A lot of things are just going through your mind, and for me, I don't even know what I want to create sometimes until 2 days until 2 days close to my upload dates. I can't even speak English. And sometimes the ideas come 2 days before I actually need to upload a video, so I'm always scrambling for ideas. And sometimes, to be honest, sometimes nothing still happens, and that is why I still struggle with consistency, because I do not know how to consistently produce these ideas. Okay, sometimes it's easy, the ideas just come and you're like from beginning to the end, and sometimes nothing happens. Stage 2 is sort of writing down this idea. For the professionals, they would say this is called scripting. Scripting is basically writing down the ideas you have to create any kind of video. You need to write what you want to do, how you want to do it. This is in this stage that you plan out exactly how you want your videos to look. For me, I just write. Sometimes I go with the flow, because sometimes when I do have an idea to make a video, all I can think of right now or at that moment is the beginning of the video. I can't think of what is happening in the middle. I can't think of what is happening at the end. So if you do need to make a video that week, that means you have to start working with what you have. So yeah, I have a lot of jotters here that I use to script, because most of the time my magic happens here. I sit here on the side of my bed, and once I have an idea and I think about something I want to do, these are my holy grails. All my books where I write with. So that's where I script. Third stage, I think this is where we film, and this is where all the magic happens. No, all the magic doesn't happen here, but this is like a fun stage, because I don't get to plan out my videos from the beginning to the end. When I'm filming, I can imagine exactly what I want to do and start to bring the video to life. And I just have a lot of fun with filming. And I'll show you all the equipment that I have, and let's go through a bit of my filming process. Okay, these are currently all the equipment that I own. 2 broken tripods, 1 mic, and 1 long tripod. This is like one of the most useful equipment that I have. It was a good buy. It was not expensive. I think I bought it at the time for 17,000 naira. So it has been good, even though it has broken. I do not recommend this tripod because of certain reasons that I don't really talk about here, but it is trying, because I still use it. This is a cheap mic I bought. I don't know, I think I got this mic for 5,000 naira. It works quite well when it does have to. I use it to film my sit down talk videos. It does good mic noise cancellation. Yes, that's why I like it. It cancels the noise quite well, but it's not really high quality, so I manage with it. These 2 broken tripods, I brought them out on purpose because I want to say, do not buy it. If you are thinking of going to content for the first time, do not buy these tripods. They are not strong, they are not good at all. Like, I barely used one of this one. I think this was the new one I got, and it spoiled even before I got to use it. I never figured out how to use it because this thing was giving me issues, and then one day it just broke. So that's why I brought it out. So these are all the equipment that I have. Wait, I film with natural light, by the way. And my windows help me to diffuse the light. I just figure it out. Like, I film with natural light. My room is quite bright. Let me get my lights. My room is quite bright, see, but the problem is whenever I film with this light in my room, it just comes out very bad during post-production. When I'm trying to edit, it comes out really bad, and I hate it. And then for my camera, I film with my iPhone 11 Pro. It's actually a very good camera, to be honest, because it has good camera quality, and the mic is really good too. See, and it also has this 3 camera options where, see, I can come like really close. I can come here really far. Look at me. And so it helps me get good angles sometimes, like good angles that I would not have gotten normally if I wasn't using the camera. But this one helps me achieve that. And this is not going to say that if you don't have an iPhone 11 Pro with all these 3 camera options, you cannot start a YouTube channel. If you have a phone with any good camera quality, you can definitely start up a YouTube channel. But for me, I use an iPhone 11 Pro, so good camera. And then the next stage is And last but not the least is to pick an outfit. Yeah, this is actually a huge part of every filming process for me, because I need to pick out what I need to wear, and I'm always trying to like be careful, because I don't want people to feel like, oh, I've watched this video before just because I wear the same outfit, or this girl keeps repeating outfit. I don't want people to ever feel like that. So yeah, I always really have to think a lot when I'm trying to pick out an outfit, and so that's why I had to add this, because it is a huge part of the process, picking out outfits. That's why they have outfits designers on like real actual sets, okay, because it is difficult to pick outfits. All right, I think that's my filming process. The next part of it is the editing stage. This is actually the stage where all the magic happens, and this is my favorite stage for one, because everything I've been working on, this is when it actually starts to make sense. This is when it actually starts to come to life, okay. And I currently edit with just my phone, and the editing softwares that I use CapCut. Yes, CapCut, the mobile version is free, the free mobile version, and I highly recommend it for anybody that's going into content creation as a fresher, because its interface is really seamless and easy to navigate. Its free version also offers a lot of options. I started editing a couple of months ago, and the things that I'm able to do with CapCut right now just like surprises me a lot, even without any formal tutorial. So yes, it's highly recommended if you're going into content creation as a fresher. I also use iMovie sometimes, because of course I use an iPhone, so I like to, and I wanted to learn how to use another editing software. So yes, I also use iMovie. And then my friend also introduced me to Adobe Premiere Pro. He says that is what the professionals are using. So I've been trying to learn how to use Adobe Premiere Pro. I've been doing it once, but I've never ever used it to edit a video from beginning to end. I'm still learning how to use it. But yeah, I did CapCut, and it's really a great editing software. And then I think the last part is to upload the video. It is in this stage that I get my final mental breakdown, because it is in this stage I start to beg people to watch my video, beg people to subscribe, beg people to like, comment, or whatever. And it is in this stage that the video just goes totally out of your control. This is where you know that there are a lot of things that you cannot actually control. So this is where you leave everything to God to just take control of. And I don't like this stage, because normally I like to control things, but I really cannot control any part of this stage. So it's really like nerve-wracking to see if your video is doing well, to see if people like the video, to see if the video is good, or to see if the video is bad or it means anything. Like, it is just like frustrating to like wait for people to watch and like tell you what they think about the video. But if you don't upload it, then why did you do it in the first place? Right? So, but you need to upload it, like, because that's like the essence of why you do what you do, because you just want to share it with the world or something. I don't know, but like that's like the essence of YouTube. If you want to become a YouTuber, is to make videos and upload those videos, whatever the video is or whatever you feel about the video. You just have to put it out there. If you are a new YouTuber, or if you are considering going into YouTube or content creation as a whole, just go into it. Do it with what you have. Do it right now. Don't wait for tomorrow. You can just go ahead and create your first video, because at the end of the day, you're always going to have to deal with things that are beyond your own control. But for the things that you can control, go out and control them. Make that first video, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.